So in this video, we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. Of course, this is another application of law of indices. First of all, we have to understand that this x basically is raised to the power of 1, right? So now you need to recall that what a raised to the power of n times a raised to power m is the same thing as a raised to power what m plus n. So for this one, since they have the same base, then we can add the power. So we can say all of this can be written as s raised to power n minus 2 plus 1 plus n plus 1. And this will return x raised to power. If you collect the like terms of the power, this is n, that is n plus n, then minus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that would be minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. And that will give us x raised to power 2n, right? 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. So plus 0. So the final answer is x raised to power 2n. So that is that. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.